Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to trade depth of market in MetaTrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your MetaTrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads and you can see your main trading dashboard with all your charts and indicators, you'll want to locate the specific chart where you plan to trade using the depth of market feature. This could be any currency pair, commodity, or instrument you're currently working with. Once you've found your desired chart, right-click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Depth of Market. Selecting this option will open up the Depth of Market window, which gives you direct access to real-time buy and sell orders at different price levels. This feature is incredibly useful for traders who want to see market liquidity and execute trades more precisely. Now, once the Depth of Market window appears, direct your attention to the bottom section of this window. You'll notice a field labeled SL. This field allows you to set your stop loss level. Go ahead and adjust this value according to your risk management strategy. The stop loss is crucial because it automatically closes your position if the market moves against you by a certain amount, helping protect your capital from significant losses. Next, move to the middle field in the depth of market window. This field controls your volume, also known as your lot size. Adjust this value to match the position size you want to trade. Your lot size determines how much money you're risking per pip movement, so make sure to choose a size that aligns with your account balance and risk tolerance. After setting your volume, look at the field labeled TP. This stands for Take Profit, and it allows you to set your target profit level. Go ahead and adjust this value to specify at what price point you want your position to automatically close when it reaches your desired profit. Setting a take profit helps you lock in gains without having to monitor your trades constantly. Once you've configured all three fields, your stop loss, volume, and take profit, you're ready to execute your trade. You'll see two buttons available: sell and buy. Click on sell if you believe the price will go down, or click on buy if you expect the price to rise. The depth of market window makes executing these trades quick and efficient, giving you precise control over your entries. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to trade using the depth of market feature in MetaTrader 5. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.